Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up your Instagram and tap on your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and tap on edit profile over here, guys. And now from here on the edit profile, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here page. So just simply go ahead and tap on page, guys. And now just simply tap on continue. And now just simply tap on the very bottom, log into Facebook. And as you can see over here, guys, since I have the Facebook application in my device and my account is logged in, I could be just simply tap on continue. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select a page that you prefer to connect. So just simply select one. And after that, just simply tap on a connect. And from there, you should be able to connect your Instagram to a Facebook page. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.